subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Lava Blaze 2 4G back in April this year, the company has now launched the 5G version of it in India, with quiet premium-looking design. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Lava Blaze 2 5G features a 6.56-inch HD Plus IPS display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate support, and it has a hole punch cut out at the top center, that carries an 8-megapixel selfie shooter. The rear panel of the phone houses a dual camera setup under circular ring at the top center, that includes a 50-megapixel main camera, along with the VGA sensor. Under the hood, the Lava Blaze 2 5G comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6020 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 or 6 GB of RAM, that can be extended up to another 6 GB by using internal storage, and it has 64 or 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 18 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 13 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 164.2 by 76 by 8.45 millimeters, and it weighs around 203 grams. So now let's see the pricing details of this smartphone. The Lava Blaze 2 5G has been priced for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 9,999 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 10,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from November 9th, in glass lavender, glass black, and glass blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Lava Blaze 2 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.